Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can use YouTube Studio. What you need to do at first is right click on your profile, go to YouTube Studio, just like so. From there, this is your dashboard. In short, you'll see your channel analytics, the latest video, and these things over here. So this is not that much important. In content, this is actually where you go. You can see all your videos, all of your shorts, live, if you have any posts, playlists, so you can check them out. In analytics, as you can see, this is where the real stuff is. You can get your 28 days. If you want only 7 days, you can see 7 days. If you want 90 days, you can see this is 90 days, last 365. Or you could also choose a custom date to check your views. You see the top content, which is videos that got the most to least views, things like that. And then in comment section, you'll see all the comments on your videos. On the subtitle section, you can see these are all of your videos, and these are the available languages and if there is any subtitles for them. Under copyright, you'll see if you have any copyright strikes. Under earn, this is your monetization page, if it is turned on or off. Inside customization, you can choose like description, channel URL, if you want to put in your email, video watermark, and this is your audio library if you want any sort of audio, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.